Good morning guys, in front of me is Realme Narzo 50 Pro, and let me show you how to block a number here. So if you want to block some unknown color or maybe some particular color, you need to open your phone dialer at first, then tap on more icon and select settings. Go to block numbers, and right here you can block all unknown colors if you wish. You can add some particular number manually by yourself. Smoothly enter it here. And now this number is blocked. But also you can block some particular color. So for example, if you wish to block, for example, this contact, tap on more icon and select block numbers. Confirm that you wish to do it, and that's it. Here you've got the icon, and from now on Andrew will not be able to call me or send me a message even. Then to unblock it, smoothly tap on more and click on unblock. That would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.